How to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege, PS4 and PC. As we all know that Rainbow Six Siege does support all of the controllers, PC and even Luna. And you can actually crossplay between your Xbox console and your PlayStation console. So that means you can also crossplay between your PC and Luna. But hate to break it, you actually cannot crossplay between PS4 and PC on your Rainbow Six Siege. You can go ahead and launch your Ubisoft and search for Rainbow Six Siege to see more details about it. Right here you will find no such option of cross-playing between Rainbow Six Siege PS4 and PC. However, for this we have to go ahead and check out the support of Ubisoft. If you search for crossplay and cross progression in Rainbow Six Siege, you will find the same thing, that you can crossplay between PlayStation and Xbox console or PC and Luna, but it is not possible to matchmake between PC and console platforms. And that is nothing that we can change or do from our end, but just wait for an update from Ubisoft itself. Hopefully someday we will be able to crossplay between PS4 and PC and enjoy our Rainbow Six Siege with the controller device of our preference. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.